Embedding your loyalty program on site. A loyalty program is not separate from your brand. It's a Tetris block that sits within the framework of your larger brand story and should therefore be a natural extension of it. You can use LoyaltyLion to create a fully on-brand integrated loyalty program on your site that's a seamless part of the customer journey. In this module, we'll show you how and some best practices to follow. The benefits of embedding the program. Using our integrated loyalty program feature, you can make the program a natural part of your site. Some of the main advantages of this feature include that it means you can create a fully on-brand loyalty experience by customizing it quickly and easily within your store's main theme so that it truly reflects your brand. You'll be able to generate a unique URL for your program that directs people straight to your loyalty program rather than